Let's start from here.
Hmm. I'm moving you.
Alright, let's start from here.
I'm shaking you.
Okay, you can do that after the class. Let's start.
Zalim.
So read carefully.
I mean,
Start, Anas.
okay, fine. Zalikum balannahu.
Is this a lam? This one?
No, no, I nahu.
No.
What? Be annahu.
Yes. Now read from here slowly.
Zalikum be annahu.
Good job.
Idza du ye.
Either.
Idza du
Good job. Next.
إذا دعي الله
Yallahu.
دعي الله
Yes.
You're buying only too much. وحده
Very nice, Anas. MashaAllah. Next.
كفرتم
Ka?
كفرتم
Where is the ru?
كفرتم
Kafartum.
كفرتم I want to spend water on you.
Next. Don't spill water on me, please. Just read.
ويشرك
Good.
به نؤمن
Which letter is this?
تؤمن
Tu.
تؤمن
Stretch.
تؤمن
Say from here, please.
تؤمن
Not to. It's tu. Tu.
تؤمن
Yes. Good job.
والحكم الله
Wal huk.
والحكم الله
Mu.
لله
Yes. When you read very slow. Now it's joining.
لله العلم
Ra.
عامل
Which letter is this?
I'm spilling.
It's a lam. Okay. It's a lam. Lam is a zir joining with the ya. Join them, and ya will join with the lam as well. So try now again.
Yes. Now, now the what? Anil,
Ra.
anil,
Ra. Layel.
anil. I spell
Layel.
aliyel.
Yes. Now say from here.
Aliyel.
From here. Look at the screen. And as time is short, just read by looking carefully. And
Okay.
remember, I have to give you something as well at the end of the class.
Okay. Billahi hel al I al el
Ra.
aliyel
Yes. Next.
kabiri
Is ya sakin? Ya has a jazm on the top of sakun. Before the,
kabiri
it's a zir. So we'll stretch. It's a ya madda. How do we say?
kabiri
Stretch.
B, B, we,
Yes, stretch more for 1 second.
ba, God, B, we,
Not B, it's B.
God, B, we,
Yes. Will not say B, it's B. Okay, ba, ya,
God,
zir.
God, B, we,
Yes, now to take a pause. Kabir.
Kabir,
Good job. Now read after me, please. Fal hukmu.
Fal, Hakmu,
Huk, ha is a pesh. Fal hukmu
Fal, Hukmu, Lillah,
lillahil. Just with me.
Lillah,
Aliyil.
Aliyyil,
Yil.